scented version. Great relief of dry and cracked hands. Amazing for calluses on feet and perfect for rough elbows. No crack hand creams are ideal for office workers, healthcare professionals, farmers, factory workers, construction workers, gardeners, everyday use. Subtle scent is pleasant to both men and women. No crack day use hand cream is an elegant, fragrant, quick-drying, non-greasy hand cream that keeps hands soft and beautiful. No crack day use hand cream contains allantoin, which stimulates healthy tissue formation and wound healing, and softens the outer layers of the skin, allowing water absorption. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product from small vendor. I have used no crack for years after being introduced to it by a woodworker who said he uses it b.c. It is not oily. Very true. Guessing contains lots of glycerin. Even the unscented has faint aroma, but it is pleasant. Highly recommend.